Frankfurt, Reuters, Christian Sewing must quickly come up with a coherent strategy for Deutsche Bank after the retail banking veteran was promoted to chief executive of Germania Euro Trademark's largest lender. Sewing, 47, was appointed late on Sunday after a crisis meeting to discuss how to end 3 years of losses. He replaces Briton John Cryan, who failed to meet cost targets, and his elevation could signal a retreat from decades of investment banking expansion. Sewing, who has been with Deutsche Bank since 1989, said Deutsche would pull back from areas where it was not sufficiently profitable. He said he would analyze how Deutsche Bank wants to position its investment bank in a difficult market environment, but left open what structural measures he could take. Analysts and investors swiftly demanded clarity over where growth would come from. A euro or what matters, and in our view Deutsche Bank has been missing for several years now, is a clearly defined strategy, a Euro JP Morgan analyst Kian Abu Hossein said on Monday. A Euro Deutsche Bank a Euro Trademark's problem is not the CEO, as speculated by the press, but different stakeholders with different interests, with little evidence of commitment to changing the organization in the interests of the owners, shareholders and creditors. A Euro. The Bank a Euro Trademark's largest investors are Qatar Euro Trademark's royal family, Chinese conglomerate HNA, U.S. asset manager BlackRock and private equity fund Cerberus. Together they own about a third of Germania Euro Trademark's largest bank, which employs more than 97,000 people. The prospect of deeper cost cuts sent shares in Deutsche Bank 2.9% higher in early trading, topping the Stoxx Europe 600 Banks Index at 8:17 GMT, 4:17 AM ET. No more setbacks. In a letter to employees on the Bank a Euro Trademark's website, Sewing said that Deutsche needs to regain its a euro hunger for business a euro and set the bar for revenues higher in all businesses. A euro priority is to leverage our strengths and to allocate our investments accordingly. And at the same time we will look to free up capacity for growth by pulling back from those areas where we are not sufficiently profitable, a euro, he said. At the same time, its 2018 target for adjusted costs of no more than 23 billion euros, $28 billion, is non-negotiable, Sewing said. A euro setbacks like in the fourth quarter of 2017 are not to be repeated under any circumstances, a euro, he said. In the last 3 months of 2017, Deutsche Bank a Euro Trademark's net loss had widened to 2.2 billion euros from 1.9 billion a year earlier as revenue slumped 19%, fanning shareholders a Euro Trademark discontent with a lack of clear progress in turning the bank around. Analysts at Credit Suisse cut their price target on Deutsche Bank a Euro Trademark's stock to 13 euros from 15 euros amid uncertainty over the lender Euro Trademark's future strategy and warned that it would be difficult to cut less profitable business without causing too significant a loss in shareholder value. Cryan had been in charge since 2015 and his mandate would have expired in 2020, but investors had lost faith that he could return the bank to profitability. His fate had appeared sealed 2 weeks ago when reports emerged that Chairman Paul A. Kleitner had begun searching for a successor.